So
Can you come up
how
again, Arun? Your voice is little low.
while doing practice,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes we need to face negative thoughts. Like I'm saying that I'm confident, I'm a good listener, I'm a good communicator,
Mm-hmm.
like this one. But
Mm-hmm.
sometimes when we do practice, we
Mm-hmm.
need I face negative thoughts like you cannot do it, you
Mm-hmm.
cannot do this type of task. These type
Mm-hmm.
of thoughts come up in my mind. So
Mm-hmm.
how I need to fight that you cannot do it and you cannot do it at that moment.
Okay, okay. So yeah, if that comes in your mind, that's okay, that's fine. You go at the home, take pen and paper, write on the paper what it is coming. Okay, you are saying to yourself internally that I cannot do. Write that. My mind is saying I cannot do it. Okay, whatever the thing that is coming, then ask yourself why I cannot do it. What is the reason? What is stopping me in doing it? Okay, find the reason of that thing. Okay, maybe you say that I am not confident in speaking. Okay, what is the reason? You haven't done the practice. Okay, if you haven't done the practice, what can I do to make the practice? Write that down. Okay, and then start practicing it. Got it? Okay, yes, in the entire day you will be getting hundreds of the things, thousands of thoughts come in single day. Okay, but whenever you get some thoughts, you take a note of that. Okay, maybe on your mobile phone. When you sit down in the morning, right? See, okay, these five negative thoughts came into my mind. I told about one practice, right? That whatever the things that is bothering you, write that down. So negativity is bothering you, right? Write that down on the paper, okay, and find out reason why it is happening, what is stopping me, how can I get the help, how can I do it. Got the point? And it will happen multiple times. I know, it happened to me also multiple times, maybe hundreds of the times. But when you do this practice, when you make it habit, okay, it will not bother you much, because you will replace that thought with something that you can do. Okay, and let me tell you, this is the principle. At a time, only one thought can remain in your mind, only one. You can observe your mind silently, okay, and see how many thoughts are at a time. Only one thought can remain in your mind at a time, and you can replace that thought with a negative thought with a positive thought. Okay, you can replace that with the affirmation, with the writing, with the removing it. Okay, write down on the paper and burn the paper. Okay, so all the negativity will go away.